I got some very good questions in this video. It's gonna help out a lot of you guys, all right? So yeah, hit that like button once more. Let's get into the video.
Where was they at when we was gone? When we was working on these songs? Where was they at? When we was out here in the zone? Where was they at when we was gone? When we was working on these songs?
Let's get right into it. The first question from our waiver is, he says, straight up, I brush a lot, but it seems to not be coming in on the middle of my head. What should I do different? So he wants to know what he should do differently because he got wave progress coming in at the top, but for some reason it looks like it's not waving up in the middle of his head. Now, I've had this question asked to me a multitude of times. And I'm gonna tell you like this, bro. You have a rare issue where the middle of your head at the top has a thin spot, all right? So the reason why it's not waving up is because it's thin right there. You're gonna have to keep a little bit higher of a length on the top of your head to avoid cutting that thin part too thin. And if you do that consistently without messing up, you'll get that spot to wave up just like the other two parts of it on the left and right side of it, and you're gonna be good. But yeah, that's pretty much simple like that, bro. Take that tip that I just gave you, apply it, and you're gonna see that progress come. Next question, I got y'all. All right, so our next waiver, he got a question about 360 weight forks and connections. Let me read y'all his question. So this is his picture right here, this is the waiver, and he says, what's the best way to get my forks out and connections going good? He wanna know how to get the forks out and how to get the connections flowing in one fluid motion. Now look, y'all, I wasn't supposed to do this right now, but I'm just about to do it, all right? I got a brush that's about to come out. It's a new type of brush. Oh my God, I'm not doing it. Wait until the next video, Wave family, all right? That's what we're gonna have to do. I'm about to answer your question, bro. You wanna know how to get the forks out and the connections in? This is what you're gonna have to do. So, all right, I don't know what type of brush you're using, but you gotta be way more cognizant of the way you're brushing your hair if you wanna avoid forks. So when I brush my hair, let me show you what the waves look like. Yeah. If you trying to avoid forks, if you're using a curved brush like this, a 3WP brush, then what you wanna make sure you do is you wanna, first of all, brush the connections, put this in the middle, all right? See the middle of this brush right here? This is gonna be, let me just show you by example. It's gonna be right here, where my head curves. I'm doing this because the way that these bristles are aligned, I want this linear bristles right here to hit my head, and I don't want this curved bristle part to be hitting my connections because that's gonna cause forks. What you really need to understand is that this pointed tip right here and this curved design is really for the crown area back here. Now, if I take this pointed tip and just brush around this crown area, let me show you. I clean up the area completely and turn it into the circle crown. So you just gotta be careful and you gotta know how to brush your hair right so that you can avoid them forks and get them connections right. I'm gonna repeat it one more time. I'm only brushing parts of my head with straight brush strokes with this linear part. I avoid brushing with this part and this part unless it's my crown area. For this back end of the brush that's oval, I take it just like this. I take it right here at the back and I just drag it, and that's perfect. Just understand that, bro. And I got a new brush coming out. It's gonna really help you avoid forks because, oh my gosh, I wanna tell y'all so bad, but I'm gonna have y'all wait, man. Get like 2,000 likes on this video and then I'll tell y'all early, all right? Just if you see this video hit 2K likes before May, then be like, Rashad, it's time to spill the beans. And then I'll show y'all about the new brush, all right? Or if you join the email list, you might get a little sneak advance, you know what I mean, look at the brush. I'm talking about the green edition. in the new brush that, man. All right, next question. The next waiver right here, he says, what hair texture do I have and how's it looking? So you have a coarse hair texture, bro, but yours is not super coarse, so you know what I mean? You might be able to find it more manageable. Besides that, it's looking good, man. So keep up the good work, keep brushing, stay wavy, my brother. Next person says, he says, should I cut my hair to a 1.5 with the grain or 2 with the grain? I say for your hair texture, because it's more on the straight side, you should probably stick towards that 2, maybe even the 2.5/3. All right, I'm not the expert on straight hair, but I do know if you got a straighter hair texture, you need to keep more hair on your head so that you can be at that wavelength. So yeah, bro, stick to the high side. I just got a fresh cut and I'm starting my 6-week woofing session. Should I get it cut back down to this length or if it raises? I think it's a 1.5 with the grain. So maybe should I do a 2? I'm looking at this length right here, my brother, and you looking like it's a good length. All right, so you know what I mean? I'd probably stick with this one if I was you. If I was really trying to do some damage though, like you kind of feel you want to go to that 2. If your hair grows to that 2 length and you like that length, go for it, bro. Me, on the other hand, the way I like to keep my hair is on the low side. So, you know what I mean? And plus, my hair doesn't even grow to like a 2, so I wouldn't even be able to get a 2. That'll be just like getting a trim for me at my like max woofing session. Make that decision if you want to stick with that one, you could be good, or that 2 would also be good. All right, so another waiver right here says, any advice you could give me on my current progress right now? I'm woofing and it's been about 4 weeks. I'm looking at your waves, bro, and it looks like you're doing a good job. You might want to just concentrate more on brushing full strokes because I see the waves waving up, but it's lacking right here in the front. So follow through, bro. When you get your brush sessions in, take your brush from your crown and then all the way down to your hairline and past your hairline. Now, you don't gotta brush your forehead like that, but just make sure you get that full stroke, you know what I'm saying? So that you can wave up all the way to your hairline. And that's the only thing I got to say about that, bro. Other than that, you're doing a good job. Keep up the good work. Ocean Squad in the building. Yeah. We're gonna wrap up this video now. I appreciate y'all for sending those pictures in. As I said, I got that part of the website down right now, but I might bring it back up. Hit that like button if you want me to bring that back to the website. When I say the website, I mean 360waveprocess.com, where you can upload your picture and ask your question. It's for your chance to be in a video just like this. I got a bunch of the older ones that people sent in, but you know what I mean, we could do new ones too. But yeah, other than that, y'all, I got the 3WP Chrome Edition coming out. I showed y'all on Instagram. Let's get a close-up of that. And then I got a 3WP Black and Gold Edition. I talked about this on the last live stream, and there's been a lot of questions involving around what these 2 brushes are and when they coming out. So basically, this one right here is more on the firm side, but I can't really give you the exact feel of this one because it might be different on final production. Also, man, good thing I'm talking to y'all right now because I've been wanting to ask y'all this. So tell me, for those of you who've seen this one on Instagram, would you be mad if I don't come out with this palm brush and I just come out with the handle version of the Chrome Edition? Let me know, all right, in the comment section. Would you be mad, or you ain't tripping, you're gonna get that Chrome Edition with the handle? It'll basically be the same thing like this, but just with the handle. And this one's not gonna come out. Or this one is coming out right here. This is a soft boar bristle brush right here, the Black and Gold Edition. And I might just have a link in the description where you can pre-order these right now. Check it out. Or it could be a link popping up right there talking about some pre-order now. But yeah, Wave fam, that's what's new with 3WP. The red edition with no handle has been out of stock, but it's about to be back in stock by in like a week or 2, you know what I'm saying? So just check on that if you've been looking and waiting on that one. And if you pre-ordered already, it's gonna be coming to you once it's back in stock. That's it, Wave family. I'm gonna see you on my next video. I didn't post for 1 week. I missed a week of my I'm posting every week syndrome thing that I'm doing. But, you know what I mean? I did a little live stream to fill in the gap. You know what I mean? Even though I said live streams don't count, it don't count, but I just still had to come on here and talk to y'all, you know what I'm saying? I had got real busy and then I had missed a week, y'all. But I'm trying not to. Let's keep it going, Wave family. I'm gonna see y'all next week. More than likely, I'm gonna try and drop another video this week. But living how I'm living right now, Wave fam, hey, y'all might just see me next week, cause I be mailing off brushes every day, packing G's for y'all, cause y'all just show me just the most support in the world, and I love y'all, man. This video, I'm dragging this video on forever, y'all. I appreciate everybody who's still watching at this point. See y'all.